Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. Before we continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says simplify 1 plus root 5 all over 2 all to the power of 12. And we have here solution. So here we are given 1 plus 5 all over 2 all to the power of 12. We have seen that this is a power of 12 and the value here looks very big. So what we are going to do is for us to simplify to the value that we can interpret, or to the simplest value that we can understand. So first step that we will apply here is we'll set the inside the parentheses to become a value. That means we'll say let 1 plus root 5 all over 2 equals to x. And when this equals to x, therefore our x will be equals to x to the power of 12. So we set this as equation 1 and we also set this as equation 2. So we have these two equations. Then let us work from equation 1. So we say from equation 1 we have 1 plus root 5 all over 2 equals to x. For further simplification, we need to cross multiply both sides. So what we need to do is say cross multiply both sides. So this will become 1 plus root 5 equals to 2x, because we cross multiply 2 times x equals to 1 plus root 5. So here we can transpose 1 to this other side. So that will become root 5 equals to 2x minus 1. Or the other way around, you can say subtract 1 from both sides. So if we use that method, subtract 1 from both sides will be 1 minus 1 plus root 5 equals to 2x minus 1. So this will cancel here. We know this will become root 5 equals to 2x minus 1. So this is where we are. And we have root 5 here. For us to do away with this root 5, we have to introduce the power of 2 to both sides. So we said introduce the power of 2 to both sides. So it will become root 5 all to the power of 2 equals to 2x minus 1 all to the power of 2. Here, the power of 2 will cancel the square root. So here will be cancelled and we have 5 equals to 2x minus 1 all to the power of 2. We can transpose 5 to this other side. It becomes minus 5. So it will become 2x minus 1 all to the power of 2 minus 5 equals to 0. We have this parenthesis to the power of 2. And we can recall that when we have something like this, we have a minus b all to the power of 2 equals to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So we are going to express 2x minus 1 to the power of 2 in this format. It will give us 2x to the power of 2. Then we have plus 1 to the power of 2. Then we have minus 2 times a is 2x. Then we have times b, which is 1. Then we bring down minus 5 equals to 0. Can move over to this other side as we clean this. So here we have 2x squared, which is 4x squared, plus 1. 1 squared is 1. Then we have minus 2 times 1 will give us minus 4x. Then we have minus 5 equals to 0. We bring down minus 5 here. So this will become 4x to the power of 2. Then we have minus 4x. Then we have 1 minus 5 will give us minus 4 equals to 0. We have 4, 4, 4. So 4 is a common factor to each of them. So we will factor it out. So we have 4 into x to the power of 2 minus x minus 1 then equals to 0. In this case, I always say that when you have something like this, two products of two parentheses, it is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. Or as well, we can divide both sides by 4. So we say divide both sides by 4. So this will become 4 into x to the power of 2 minus x minus 1 equals to 0 all over 4. Then we have all over 4. We know that 4 will cancel here 1, 4 will cancel here 1, and here will become 0. So we have this as x to the power of 2 minus x minus 1 equals to 0. In this case, because we are simplifying this, we are not looking for the value of x, because our value of x from equation 1 was x equals to 1 plus root 5 all over 2. So now we'll transpose this other side to make x squared the subject of this expression. So here, x minus x can be transposed into this other side. So we have x squared equals to x. Then we have minus 1 will be transposed again to this other side. We have plus 1. So we have x squared equals to x plus 1. So this turned out to be our equation 3. So we have equation 1, equation 2, and here we have equation 3. So let's clean here so that we move over to this other side. So now we have x raised to the power of 2 equals to x plus 1 as equation 3. Then from our equation 2, which we have x raised to the power of 12, this is our equation 2. Then from here, this can be written as x to the power of 2 all to the power of 6. Let's call this equation 4. Here we have x to the power of 2. So we can substitute equation 3 into equation 4. So we say substitute equation 3 into equation 4. So in that case, we have here as x plus 1 all to the power of 6. That is what it becomes. X raised to the power of 2 is x plus 1. That is what we've just done, substituting that into equation 4. So we are going to expand this. This will give us x plus 1 all to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3, because 2 times 3 gives us 6. So we have the inside the parentheses as x plus 1 to the power of 2. And we can recall that when we have a plus b all to the power of 2 equals to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So this is what we have. So we are going to express the inside parentheses as this. So this will become x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 raised to the power of 2. Then we have plus 2 times x times 1 all to the power of 3, because the inside parenthesis, which is x plus 1, is what we have here. So evaluating this, we have x to the power of 2 plus 1 plus 2x all to the power of 3. And we see that we have x to the power of 2. Then from equation 3, we have x to the power of 2 equals x plus 1. So we are going to substitute this equation 3 into where we have here. So we have the whole of here will become x plus 1 plus 1 plus 2x all to the power of 3. So that will become, so we clean this, move over to this other side. As we said, here will become x. So we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. We have plus 2. Then we have plus 2x plus 2x all to the power of 3. Okay, here we can add this. So we have here as 3x plus 2 all to the power of 3. This is what it becomes. So now we can break this one down to have 3x plus 2 all to the power of 2 times 3x plus 2, then all to the power of 1. Because when we bring two of them, we need to add the power. If you add the power, it becomes 3. So this is the same thing as when we have this, we recall that we all know that when we have a plus b all to the power of 2 is the same thing as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So here we are going to express this in this format. So it will become 3x, because a squared, this is 3x squared plus b squared, which is 2 squared. Then we have plus 2 times 3x times 2. Then we bring down this, is going to be times 3x plus 2. So that is what it becomes. So when we expand this, 3x raised to the power of 2 is the same thing as 9x squared. Then we have plus 4, because 2 squared is 4. then plus 2 times 2 times 3x is equals to 12x. 2 times 3 is 6 times 2 is 12, then times x is x. So we have this, then we bring down 3x plus 2. So this is what we have now. So the next thing is for us to evaluate this by introducing or substituting 2x when we have x squared equals to x plus 1. So we substitute x plus 1 into where we have x squared. All what we are doing is for us to simplify. We don't want to find the value of x. What we are looking for is for us to put the value of where we have x squared to that value so that it will come down to the simplest form. So here, when we substitute this into this, so we can move over to this other side by clicking here. So substituting x squared as x plus 1 into here, so it will become 9 into x plus 1. Then we have plus 4. Then we have plus 12x plus 12x. Then we have 3x plus 2. We can expand this. So this will become 9x plus 9. When we expand this, 9 times x, 9x. 9 times 1 is 9. Then plus 4. Then plus 12x. Then we have 3x plus 2. So this is what we have. So the next step, we will add this. This will become 9x plus, when we have 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 12 plus 12x. Then we have 3x plus 2. So here is the same thing as we can add this by collecting like terms. 9 plus 12 is 21x, then plus 13. So we have 3x plus 2. We have two parentheses. We need to multiply two of them. So 21x times 3 is going to be 63x squared. Then 21x times 2 is going to be 42x. Then we have 13 times 3 is going to be plus 39x. Then we have 13 times 2, we have 26. So here, this will become 63x squared plus, we have 42 plus 39. This will become 81x plus 26. Then here we recall that from equation 3, our x squared equals to x plus 1. So we are going to substitute x plus 1 into what we have here. So it becomes 63 into x plus 1 plus 81x plus 26. So here we are going to expand this. So move over to this other side. So as we clean this, so here expanding this will give us 63 times x will give us 63x. Then 63 times 1 will give us plus 63. Then here we bring down plus 81x plus 26. So here we are going to add this and this. This and this will give us, this is 81, is going to give us 144x. Then plus, when we have 63 plus 26, we have 63 here, is going to give us 89. So this is what we have now. And here we have x. Our intention or our aim is for us to simplify this. We are not looking for the value of x, because from our equation 1, recall equation 1 as when we have x equals to 1 plus root 5 all over 2. So this is what we have from equation 1. So we are going to substitute the value of x here into what we have here. So that will become 144 into 1 plus root 5 all over 2 plus 89. So here we have been able to do away with x and x squared. So we have numbers now. So this will become, when we multiply this, it will become 2 will cancel here 1 and 2 will cancel here. We have 72. So this will become 72 into 1 plus root 5 plus 89. So this is the same thing as we can expand this. So expanding this will give us 72. 72 times 1 is 72. Plus 72 times root 5 is going to give you 72 root 5. Then we have plus 89. So now we have 72 root 5. And we have here 72 plus 89 will give us 161. Then plus 72 root 5. So this is our answer to this big value that was given, 1 plus 5 all over 2 to the power of 12. The answer is 61 plus 72 root 5. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.